Hey everyone, this is JB here, and today we're gonna unbox the Sandisk Extreme Pro portable SSD coming right up. So I recently got a new computer and it's only 128 gigabytes, and I know it's a small storage that I opted out to get the Sandisk Extreme Pro from Amazon. It's about $100, I believe, and it doesn't come with free shipping because I'm here in Saudi Arabia. So it came from, I think, Indiana. The whole shipment process took for about 1 week only, and that was amazing. So today we're gonna unbox this device right here, but I'm no technical reviewer, so I'm just gonna check some apps that will measure the write and read speeds of this portable SSD using Blackmagic. And also I'm gonna test how fast is this one when we try to copy and paste some items from our desktop to the SSD. Let's not make this video longer, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, now this is the packaging of our product, and it says here that we have 1050 megabytes speed per second, and this is a 500 gigabyte model. Now we have a branding here, Sandisk Extreme Pro portable SSD, and on the side of this box says here that it is compatible with Mac and PC. Now at the back of the box it says here that it is water and dust resistant, and it is compact and portable. Now we are going to unbox this box right now. Let me pull this case right here. Now this is the inside of our box. Let me just put this SSD aside for a moment. Now we have this flashback information if you want to avail this service, and we have the manual. In the box we also have the Type-C cable, and we also have the normal cable, the USB-A to USB-C. Now this device is very light, it's made of plastic, and it has a metal band surrounding it with an orange accent. And at the bottom of the device we have the USB Type-C port, and the back is made of matte, and we also have a 500 gigabyte label on it. Since my computer has a USB Type-C port, I'm going to use the USB Type-C cable, and we are going to insert this one to the port located at the bottom of the device. Now let's open our PC and insert the cable on the PC, and let's get into the desktop. Our SSD will appear on our screen with a yellow icon like so, and before we will use it we have to format it using the disk utility. Now open disk utility, and on the left side click on your device, click on erase, and in here choose Mac OS extended journal. Hit on erase, and that is it, but I don't use it for backup. And let us exit this application. Now I wanted to rename my SSD here, just a moment. I'm gonna name it JB's Extreme SSD, and after that I'm gonna measure the write and read speed of this device. And I'm gonna use Blackmagic's disk speed test for this. You don't have to do this, okay? I'm just doing this for the purpose of showing you how is the speed of this specific device here. Now let me just set up some things here. I'm gonna choose my SSD, click on done, and click on start. Now you can see that our write speeds here can get up to 727, and our read speed can get up to 809. Now let us see how this specific speed translates into a real world scenario. Now I have an 8 gigabyte file here that I will transfer to the SSD to check how speedy this is. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna open the SSD, and I'm gonna open the files in this folder, and I'm gonna copy all of these files to the SSD, and I'm gonna time it. Now let's copy and paste. It's 2 seconds, 3 seconds, okay. It's halfway now, and all right, and that is actually 20-second transfer. So that is 8 gigabytes in 20 seconds. Alright everyone, that is our unboxing and testing of the Sandisk Extreme Pro portable SSD. And by the way guys, this is not the usual portable SSD because this is the 1050 megabytes per second speed. But as we have seen on the test, we only get like 720-ish write speed and 800-ish read speed, okay? So if you have a smaller storage computer, you might want to get one of these, but I suggest getting the NVMe type of SSDs because they tend to become faster and more powerful than their regular ones. But if you don't have the budget, the normal SSDs with USB 3.1 is actually good, but I haven't tested it myself. I cannot talk about the technical specifications because I'm no technical reviewer of this kind of products. And by the way guys, if you're interested to check how I test this one on my iPad Pro, if you want that video, comment right down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do consider subscribing by clicking that red button. You may also click the notification bell icon so you'll get notified whenever I post new videos and tutorials here in my channel. This has been JV, and I see you again next time. Adios amigos.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down.